Hi guys, today we will discuss how to create journal and journal voucher using Postman ODATA entities. And when we come in journal GL and journal and here we see some journal batch numbers. So how we will create this batch numbers and its vouchers, journal voucher using Postman data entities. So to do this, first of all we will go to the Postman. Okay, in the Postman you will perform your total configuration and successfully you will get token. Okay, after that you will create header. Header means this lines, this first line, this line, it's called header. First this line will create. After creating the header we will create its lines. We will create these further lines. So let's create the header first. Go to the Postman and in header you will use your URL, like here I'm using the URL and data, and you will use this entity ledger journal headers. This is the public collection name of the entity, and entity name in the Wheel Studio is the ledger journal header entity. So we will use this entity, and in the body section we will provide this information only. So when we will provide this information and we will provide the authentication, so after that we will send this request. So doing this, I'm doing it, and when I will send it, it will create one line. Sorry, it's unauthorized. First of all we will get the token. Okay, here I am getting the token. So token has successfully returned. So here I will copy this token. Okay, copy it, and I will paste this token here in authorization and barrier token, and here I will paste that token. Okay, so now I will send this request. Okay, let's see what happened. It's sending request. Please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. So here it has successfully created 201 created. This is the response. So this is the journal batch number 15036. It has created in the D365. So let's go in the D365 and check this number. Refresh it first. So see that this header has created here. Okay, so when we will go in the lines, and in the lines this one line is showing, this is by default. So when we will refresh this, it will be removed. Okay, so now we will create the lines from the Postman. So let's again go to the Postman. Okay, and here I am using the other entity to create the lines. This is the create journal lines. Okay, here again you will use your URL, okay, and data, and you will use this batch, $ batch, and here you will use this line. Focus on this line only. This is the line using the entity expense journal line. So this is the public collection name of entity, and after that you will providing it's the request in the curly braces. This is all the fields which we will create in the line, first line. This is the line 1, mean content ID 1 means line number 1. Okay, and this is the debit line. Okay, here debit amount is given. You are seeing the debit amount is 7,500 and the credit amount is 0. This is the debit line. Okay, we have also put all the values like account display value, dimensions, okay, and all the necessary fields. Okay, this is the for project line. If your voucher line is for project, so we are also using the category ID and activity number to insert in the line. Okay, so in the second line it is the credit line, and this is not the project line, this is the ledger line. Account type for this line is ledger. Okay, and the account type for this line is project. Okay, this is the account type project. For account type project, we are sending some extra information like activity number and category ID here, project category. So in the second line, in the ledger line, we are not sending those information which we are sending in the line. So simply we will refresh our authorization first. Let's copy this token here from here, copy it, and go to create journal lines, and same in the authorization, Control A, paste that token here. Okay, so simply first one thing which I forget, sorry, we have to use this number, journal batch number, in the line. So we have to create the lines against this batch number, so it is necessary to put this batch number in the lines. So copy it and go to the lines, and in the body section replace the existing one with the new one. Okay, 15036, here is again 15036. Okay, so now when we will send it, let's see. So it will create the two lines in the journal voucher. So it is very easy and helpful. It's creating the lines. Okay, you are seeing that 200. Okay, so request response is okay, and lines have created. Okay, this is the response from the lines. Okay, let's again go to the lines here and refresh it. Okay, you will see that two lines have created. This is the same journal number of 15036, and in it these are the lines have successfully created. Again, go to lines. Okay, so this one is the project line, account type is project, and the second one is ledger line. So for ledger line, the project tab is not visible here, and for a project line, the project tab is visible. So here the project details are given here. Okay, so this is the way how to create the journal voucher through Postman and data entities. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my channel so you can watch so much informative videos in the future. Thank you.